Okay, so after smelling and smelling, I finally got something. And hopefully it smells Christmassy. I mean, everything I was smelling kind of smelled divine, but hopefully this one smells good. I think so. Yeah, I'm happy.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green.
So guys, tell me if you guys have your trees up or not. Like today, I'm putting up my tree and I'm so excited. And the tree is partially up right now. Remain already put it up. And I'm gonna put the decoration on, and it's a special tree. This tree been with us for years, so I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna show you guys the tree. Such a beautiful tree, such a fashionable tree. It's like, yeah, so good. But anyway, I'm going to decorate the tree, and I thought I'll just share the process with you guys since it's Christmas and it's a beautiful time of sharing and caring. And yeah, I'm gonna light up a candle and get started. So guys, as you can see, I went to Anthropologie and I got a candle. You know, you just have to set the mood, you know. So I got me a Christmas candle. And I smell so many candles, but hopefully this one just set the vibes. So I'm gonna light it up and hey Alexa, play Christmas music.
Cozy Christmas Jazz from Spotify.
Yes, girl. So I got all the ornaments out and I pair them all together, and I'm going for more of like a jewel tone, you know, very classy, sexy type of vibes. And this one I love. It's so beautiful. I just love the texture with the gold flakes. So pretty. And then of course we have pinks and reds and purples and golds. Of course we have some feathers. We have the beautiful birds. I got to top in a little bit of orange, and you know, I got the little crystal going on, and of course, you know, you can't do Christmas without this.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding.
Okay guys, I think I'm finished. Like, I think this is it. I'm gonna step back and show you guys the full beauty, show you her in her glory. So let me do that. Okay, so I end up not using all of the ornaments. Opted not to put the red. I feel like the tree was looking a little bit too crowded, and I wanted it to feel, you know, sexy, and I think I achieved it. So I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna show you guys what she looks like. And yeah, she took so long, but this is what she looks like. She is so cute and I absolutely love it. So I did a lot less ornaments this year because I just feel like she just looks a lot more sexy when she doesn't have so many ornaments, you know. So I kept it a lot simpler, and as you can see, we can see, you know, the flakes on the tree. You know, I wanted to see that. I didn't want to, you know, not have that. So this is what she looks like in all of her glory.
We won't go until we get some, so bring some out.